Did I what?
Watch the Good Burger movie on YouTube.
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Mm-hmm. What you doing, dude?
Is it funny?
Yep. Ollie-Bud, are we going to your class? Ollie-Bud, are we going to your class? Ollie-Bud, are we going to your school? Ollie-Bud. Hey, we going to your school? We got Mom.
Mom?
We got Meeks.
Mom?
Yes. Did you say hello? Adorable.
Meeks. That's where you sit? Is this where you sit, Olive?
I'm not starting to remember my first time at the school.
Yeah. Is that your book?
It's my other book of it. My big book is at home of it. If that looks like this, then it's at the school. So it's not home. It's actually the red one.
Bye.
The red one up there.
That red one up there. Oh, I see it. Is it Rocco?
That's the only red here.
Oh, look.
Which one's hers? Oh, look at that, Olive.
That's the only red one.
Where's the red one? This one?
Yeah, she said we can.
Which one is hers? Veronica.
one.
And I put a highlight.
Enséñame tu tren.
Which one's yours, Olive? Is it this one?
His name is Squirty. Like my teacher.
Where's your gumball machine? Giselle's little sister's name is Emily. Oh, on the left.
There's Olive's.
¿Dice qué dice? Cocinar con cangú. Giselle, there's a little classroom named Giselle.
Wait, read that.
Book Fiesta.
Which one?
Amelia, you want to go see Julian's classroom?
Which one's yours? Is it right there? Is that it? Tell me where it is.
It's right there.
It's right
There.
right there? Okay.
That one right there.
Oh, I see it. Look at the flowers. So pretty. How about here, Ollie? Vente. Aquí.
Show us this one over here. Did you do any of these? Let me see. Point to it.
I actually didn't draw one today.
No? I think yours is right there. Which one's yours?
This one.
That one? You did that?
It's green. Black. Huh?
Did you do one of these, Olive?
Oh, there. All new pictures.
Ah, I see it.
That one's yours?
How do you even read that?
You did that one. That's beautiful.
You can't play with the sink?
No?
Or the babies.
Yeah.
But that's okay. We can still play with.
Yeah, you like looking at the baby.
We can play with them still now.
Now?
Does all have a recess?
But not during class? Yes.
She does, buddy. Just
And
like you.
but when I was in preschool, I remember not having like a recess or
You did. There was lots of recess.
no, I'm talking about They just call it playtime.
But what?
Elle's ready to play.
Shoes on. What?
$100.
Mm.
You do. The number ones? Let's see, I'll tell you if you made one.
Olive. Ollie, come show us. One in the corner? Show me yours. Where's yours?
Mine is right here.
That's it? Okay, let me take a picture with.
They emptied it out, and then none of the schools that are the lottery schools have a TK. And they're waiting until, I think, 2026.
Nico. What you doing? Yeah. That's your drawer, huh? What'd you get? Is that a pass?
That's a tiger ticket.
We're gonna go around this. I think one of my friends, I think Auntie Nicola's cans are still on the library.
Wait, what was that?
What? So,
Ollie butt. Ollie butt.
Like Alexis saying that?
yeah. I would look it. I guess.
Where's your stuff, dude? Nico, where's your art?
I'll have it here.
Where's yours?
Where's hers? Where's yours, Olive? Which one did you do?
Ollie, which one's yours? Right here.
Which one did you do?
Same.
Is it in there?
It
Oh.
waves.
Is yours right here? Oh,
Patterns?
it's right there, dude. Olives.
It's at home. You brought that home already. You did it, are you sure? Are you sure?
Nico, where's yours? Look at that. That's a poster.
Look at this.
What's hers now?
That's just a big.
Can she go see the dinosaur? She's always wanted to see the dinosaur.
Yeah.
Okay. Nico, come.
Ollie, come look at the dinosaur.
Ollie, you want to see the dinosaur? Yes or no? Here. It's not dirty, it's old and rusty. It's been here since I was here.
I could have been like this, Rob.
Alright, you want to get on the dinosaur?
That dinosaur's dangerous. Suppose you
It's a ladder thing.
Don't worry, grab the dinosaur's thing.
Yeah.
Scary?
No, let her figure it out, honey. She needs to use both of her hands.
Mom, this is scary. I gotta hold on to.
Wait till you get to the good part.
Mom!
What? I'm right here. Got it off.
Mom, I don't think I want. Now what does it say?
Now it says bat, like a baseball bat.
What does it say now?
Bet, like
Bet.
betting.
The rules to just go down the side.
Yay! Mom! I keep doing it!
Do not do that. Don't. Go back down now. Olive, come on. Let her go down. You ready, girl? Can you block? Nico, stop.
Come on, get up.
Get up. Let her go down. Ready?